Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record Roblox with OBS Studio. Now the first thing that we want to do is open up any game in Roblox, just so we have the Roblox client open here. So like I said, open up any game that you want, and once we have the Roblox client open, as you can see, it's going to appear. Now this is going to be our game. So what I'm going to do here is just open up OBS Studio, and like I said, it might be a little bit hard because I'm using it to record, but what we want to do, you won't have any of these things set up if you're new to OBS. So what you want to do is you want to click on the plus sign here to add a scene, and we're going to call it Roblox. Now I'll transfer over my microphone in a second, so you might not be able to hear me for a sec. Here. Okay, so I just pasted my microphone, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna paste my this thing as well. You won't have to do it, I'm just pasting this so you see what I do. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. You won't have anything right now, but what you want to do is right click on add, and then we will do window capture. Now from the window capture here, we can name this Roblox game, something like that. Make source visible, and we will choose the Roblox player beta from this list. So if we have selected the Roblox player beta, as you can see, this is going to appear right here, and we can stretch this out to fill the screen like this, or we can just hold Alt on our key and stretch this out even further. But that's how you record your Roblox game. You click on start here to start the recording, and then you can click on stop to stop it. So it was a little bit hard to do this while recording, but I hope it made sense. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.